Have you ever seen this
Explosion
type of
prank
iPhone
on my
charger?
mom.
Like, I'm trying to do everything, is not working. What? Oh, I forgot to put water in the outlet. It did say that in the instructions to make sure the outlet's soaked with water. All right, never mind. Wait a minute, is you okay? Are you okay? Parents, are you alright? Are you there? Hello? Hello? Oh, I'm not playing. Like my neck and my shoulder, my kneecap is all broken. My esophagus. I think I need to go to the emergency room or something. Like I'm not even playing around right now.
Let me know when you get out of the hospital. And when you get home, you need to clean this kitchen. You left dishes all in the sink, the kitchen all dirty. And I already told you about cleaning up behind yourself in the bathroom. You left doodle stains in the toilet, boy.